Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you how to calculate the land area of a plot in square feet. Okay guys, so first of all, this is like a plot for example, and that's the length of the plot, which is 70 feet and 4 inch. Okay, and this is the width of the plot, which is 50 feet and 6 inch. Okay guys, now to calculate the area of the plot we use a formula. The formula is area is equal to length multiplied by width. Okay guys, so this is the formula to calculate the area. So now we will put the value here. So the value for length is this 70 feet 4 inch, and we multiply with width, which is 50 feet and 6 inches. Okay guys, so now there is a little a tricky part which I want to show you. Some people, what they do, they just put 70.4 and they multiply with 50.6. So they consider this as 50.6 and they consider this as 70.4, which is totally wrong guys. You don't have to do it. The reason is because this is feet and this is inches, so you can't do it 70.4. So what you have to do, because this is 4 inches, you have to convert this 4 into feet. You have to convert this inch into feet. So how you guys can do it? You can divide this 4 with 12. Okay guys, so when you divide this 4 with 12, your answer will be 0.33. Okay, and same thing you have to do it here, because this is feet and this is inch, so you cannot write it as 50.6. So to write it as 50.6, first you have to convert this 6 inch into feet. So you have to repeat the same thing. You take this 6, you divide this with 12. Okay, to convert this inch into feet, so the answer will be 0.5. Okay, so now they both come into feet. Now we will move back to our formula. So now what we will do, we will put here as 70.33. Why we put 0.33? Because we already get the we already get our answer. We already convert this inch into feet, and this is now feet. This 0.33 is a feet. So we when we plus this 0.33 with 70, it will be 70.33. Now we multiply it with 50.5. This 5 comes from here guys. You can see here it comes from here. So now simply we already converted our inches into feet. We put the formula, we put the numbers into there, and our answer, when we multiply 70.33 with 50.5, the answer will be 3551.665 square feet guys. Okay, so now we convert our plot area into square feet by using this formula, which is L multiplied by width, which is length multiplied by width. Okay guys, and only the tricky part that I already show you is this, which is 70 feet and 4 inches and 50 feet and 6 inches. What you have to write them as, first you have to convert these inch part into feet. Always you have to convert this inch part into feet, because here is the feet. So when you convert here, I convert this inch part into feet, and then I put the values over here, and then my multiply, I got my answer, which is correct, which is 3551.665 square feet guys. So guys, this is how you calculate the land area in square feet guys. So guys, I hope you understand this all calculation, and please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much guys.